I am Martha Teikote, and this is just a 2 minute video to introduce you to what I intend to do to help ladies who want to learn to code. First, this is Martha, an e-learning solution that is going to have enough data running through an AI engine built in Python. So I'm signing in to give you how the features of this bot is going to work. Once I'm signed in, I get to see, so this is just an account interface of a super user. So the super user is able to create projects under topics to aid people and then streamline how queries would be asked through the bot. First, I have some projects already created. So the projects I've created are under all projects. I have transformer bots, medical diagnosis, GUnit, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So a user can create a new project by using the create project button, give a title, a tag and description, and then save changes. Also, users can add up to what has already been created. So let's say I have an HTML here and there is no description to it, so I want to add a description to it. I can say HTML tutorials for beginners and then save it. So once the changes have been saved, it falls here. I can also go into the project and then add up more intents or more questions and then user says to it. So now over here, realize there is no intent created or there has been no data fed into this bot. So first I create a new intent and then give the name as HTML tutorial 1. So I can add attachments to it. So is it an image attachment, file attachment, or no attachments at all? Also give it a description to tell the user that this is HTML tutorial 1 just for the basics or overview of HTML, and then you can save it. So once you've saved it, it comes here. So we have HTML tutorial 1 created a few seconds ago. Now once it's created, we can edit it this way. We can manage it, and then there, that particular tutorial is selected. So we see it here, HTML tutorial 1. So once the tutorial 1 is selected, we can give sample user says and answers to it. So we say, what is HTML? And then if it's a simple answer, we provide it here. If it's an advanced response, we click here and then give the response, and let's say maybe HTML is a markup language, and then state whether the response is simple, multi-select, boolean, yes or no, boolean, true or false, or custom. Add other parameters to that particular intent created. You can also add attachments to it. If there are any images to back that answer, you add it, and then you save response. So once it's saved, we see HTML is a markup language. It falls under what is HTML. So we can create multiple, and then also for just one question we can create multiple answers to it. So we can add another response to it and then save it as well. We can also edit responses that have already been created and then delete it. So this is the super users end, which has not fully been created. Once everything is done and then you have your data running through here, you click on the train button and then it sends that data into the AI engine built in Python, goes through the algorithm and then trains the data for users to be able to access it. Now for a user or for a student who wants to learn, this is the interface he would be seeing. So all our bots that has been created would be available to users who are logged in, and then they can click on which one they want to ask questions or which one they want to learn. So when I click maybe HTML, I have the HTML chat active now, and then I can ask it a question. It's not fully created, so when I ask it a question, it wouldn't give me a response. It's still under construction. So in whichever bot you want to ask a question, you can just click on it, and then it opens, and then you ask it questions, and then it gives you answers. Once we are done with this, users will be able to get answers to their questions very easily without any stress. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's helpful.